Hey guys, Big Phil here and welcome back to another highly requested video. I've received comments from most of you guys asking me to show watch faces that have great always on display for the Huawei Watch 3, 3 Pro and the GT3 series. And here's the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you guys the watch faces, what the always on display looks like, the names of the watch faces. And at the end of the video, I will drop the names of all those watch faces in the description below. So if you find any watch face that you like, check out the name in the description below. So let's get into the video. But please, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, you're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. ways, and